Welcome to Mastering AI Code Reviews, ClaudeCode Best Practices Explained. Today, we're diving into efficient code reviews using ClaudeCode, equipping you with strategies to ensure quality and collaboration in AI projects. Welcome to our exploration of ClaudeCode, a tool that is transforming the realm of AI code reviews. In this session, we'll uncover how ClaudeCode's unique features streamline the review process, making it essential for AI projects. We'll start by exploring why code reviews are critical for ensuring quality and fostering collaboration. Today, you'll learn practical strategies to enhance your code review sessions, ensuring your AI projects meet the highest standards. Let's embark on this journey to master AI code reviews with ClaudeCode.
Structured code reviews are the backbone of quality assurance in AI engineering. They help maintain high standards, ensure consistency, and facilitate collaboration among teams. A well-organized review process can significantly impact project timelines and outcomes. By identifying potential issues early, teams can avoid costly reworks and delays. However, without structure, reviews can become haphazard, leading to overlooked errors and inefficiencies. In this block, we'll delve into the benefits of structured reviews, explore common challenges in unstructured processes, and examine case studies where structured reviews led to successful project outcomes.
Having a tailored code review checklist for AI projects is crucial to ensure thorough and consistent reviews. A well-crafted checklist acts as a guide, helping reviewers focus on critical aspects of the code, such as algorithm efficiency, data handling, and model accuracy. This block will walk you through creating a dynamic checklist that evolves with your project needs. We'll discuss common pitfalls to avoid and how a checklist can standardize the review process, ensuring no critical elements are overlooked. By the end, you'll be equipped to set up a checklist that enhances the quality and efficiency of your AI code reviews.
Identifying common coding pitfalls is a crucial skill in AI engineering. AI projects often encounter unique challenges, such as data biases, algorithm inefficiencies, and integration issues. In this block, we'll explore techniques to recognize these common errors and understand their implications. We'll also discuss how to leverage tools and best practices to detect and prevent these pitfalls. By learning from past mistakes, you can improve your coding practices and enhance the quality of your AI projects. This proactive approach will lead to more robust and reliable AI systems.
ClaudeCode offers AI-assisted suggestions that can transform your code review process. These suggestions leverage AI's analytical power to provide insights and recommendations, enhancing code quality and efficiency. In this block, we'll explore how to effectively use these AI-driven insights during reviews. We'll discuss the benefits of real-time feedback and how integrating these suggestions into your workflows can lead to optimal results. By the end, you'll understand how to harness ClaudeCode's AI capabilities to elevate your code review sessions to new heights, ensuring your AI projects are both innovative and reliable. Feedback loops are essential for fostering collaboration and continuous improvement in AI projects. They enable teams to communicate effectively, share insights, and address issues promptly. In this block, we'll delve into the importance of feedback loops and how to establish effective systems within your team. We'll explore strategies to enhance communication and ensure that feedback leads to actionable improvements. With real-world case studies, you'll see how successful implementations have transformed team dynamics and project outcomes. By the end, you'll be ready to create a feedback-rich environment that empowers your team and elevates your AI projects. Real-world examples provide invaluable insights into effective code review processes. In this block, we'll analyze case studies from industry leaders who have mastered the art of code reviews. You'll learn about diverse methodologies and best practices that have led to successful outcomes. We'll explore how these companies have adapted their processes to meet project-specific needs and overcome challenges. By understanding these real-world examples, you'll gain the knowledge to apply proven strategies to your own projects, ensuring your code reviews are efficient, effective, and aligned with industry standards.
The future of AI code reviews is rapidly evolving with emerging technologies. In this block, we'll explore how innovations like AI and machine learning are shaping the landscape of code reviews. We'll discuss the impact of these technologies on current practices and predict future trends that will influence the industry. You'll learn how to adapt to new tools and methodologies, ensuring your skills remain relevant and competitive. By preparing for these technological advancements, you'll be well equipped to navigate the future of AI code reviews, maximizing the potential of your projects and staying ahead of the curve.
As we conclude our exploration of mastering AI code reviews with ClaudeCode, let's recap the key lessons learned. We've delved into structured reviews, tailored checklists, AI-assisted suggestions, and future trends. Continuous learning is vital in this ever-evolving field. I encourage you to implement these strategies in your projects and share your experiences in the comments. Join our community to engage with fellow learners and vote on future topics. Together, let's elevate our AI code reviews to new heights.